Alright, I'm back at it. This is fucking like day 3 fucking working on this thing. Got it jacked up. I got it on the subframe and a rocker panel on this side, so it's free floating. Seats are unbolted. Bottom's out, back's unbolted. It's ready to just pop out. It's been a slow process. I only get a couple hours to work on it before work. So this one should be easy. 1 bolt on the bottom, 3 on top. Should pop right out. Should be able to knock this out today. I asked for a late start, so should be able to knock it out today. We'll find out. Alright. Back seats are leaned out of the way. Rear shelf is out of the way. And yes, I know you can access it just by prying it up or whatever. You get access to that, but I wanted to remove the speaker because it's blown, so I'm doing the repair on that. Try that out. Worst case scenario, I'll buy a new speaker. They're like 80 bucks. Not Mark Levinson, but like a Polk or a kicker. I've seen a couple people do a few different things. Just got to get the ohms right. But anyways, this side's still bolted in. I just took off the cap. That side's already loose. I just got it threaded. I'm going to undo the bolt underneath, and then I got to jack it up on this side to get the wheel out. Alright, everything's unbolted. Just gotta come on, come on. Yep. This one, I feel like, is the only one that's truly blown. I feel like the rest of them are probably alright. This one's got all that oil on it. So, that was my I might as well reasoning right there. Alright, let's see now. The front was too fucking short. Something tells me that's not gonna cut it. I don't want to raise it, but I don't want to lower it either. Like an inch, inch and a half. Nah, the rear should be good. We're gonna run it. Hold it. Just hold it. Top is mounted in. No? Okay. Nope. Okay. Okay. She don't want to go. She don't want to go, okay? I'm gonna have to rethink my attack plan here for a second. Alright, let's see. what the fuck? What the fuck? Alright, different tack method. No? No? No quiere, güey. Okay, so excuse me? There's no fucking way. There's no fucking way it doesn't fit. There's no fucking way it doesn't fit. Hold on. Random update. There's been a dog running around the neighborhood all day. He just came and said hi. Oh.
Stupid bitch! I just watched this.
Well, I'm on this side. This one for surely blown. Look at that shit. That's covered in oil like a motherfucker. Down to the bolt. I'm gonna have to unbolt the other side. God damn it. Alright. I'm gonna jack it down. ¡Ah! Quedó altísimo. Hijo de su puta madre. Ah. Alright. Y no, quedó altísimo.
Estaba igual el primero.
How the fuck?
Ahora cómo va a
Alright, we're about done lowering it. Took about 3 centimeters at the back. Not a huge amount, but should be looking a lot better. It's almost tucking wheel, you know, like I don't want it too low just yet. I want to figure out where we're at, test drive it, and then more importantly raise the front a little bit, figure out spacers. Alright, so we test drove it again. Like I said, the rear I'm not happy with. I think I'm gonna drop that down a little bit lower, probably tomorrow. I got the day off. I can finish lowering it as much as I want. Both sides. Front got raised and it feels a lot better. It rides a lot better. I don't rub on anything anymore. I can go full lock. Not as low as I would want, but until I get my wheel situation figured out, it's gonna have to do. But I'm gonna go get ready for work and back at it tomorrow. Alright, we're back at it again. It's my day off. Got a late start. Car is pretty much ready. I'm gonna drop it just a little bit on the back. I gotta take some measurements, but I think I'm gonna tuck it just a tiny bit more. I think the fronts are good where they are right now, but I really want to take the fucking exhaust off for shits and giggles, but I don't know. I gotta put the speaker together. Probably gonna do that in a bit, and then put the interior back together. Once this is in there, then we're solid. But put it back in if it's not raining later. I'll wash the damn car because it's fucking dusty. But we'll find out right now. Alright, that's it. We did a final measurement all the way around the car. Checked that everything was pretty level. We're about 25.5 inches to the wheel arch. Down the center line. I don't know. It looks good to me. I mean, the front is very much noticeably lower. So it was like a 3-inch gap, 2.5 inch gap in the front. And now it's much closer. I'm happy with it. It's low enough that it looks low, but not too low where it's undrivable. It's not rubbing. I got full turning radius. The rear, just about the same, about tuck and tire. It looks even all the way across. I don't know, I'm happy with it. I'm still not done. I gotta do the full interior, but the sub seems to be 100% blown. So I'm gonna go hit up the audio shop and then try to match something up to this. I already did some research, but I'm cleaning this up just in case I don't get anything. I might have to just repair it and hope for the best, but she's all cleaned up. Be back. Alright, she's fucking washed. It's not perfect, but quick wash just to get her cleaned up, looking nice again. It's been a fucking month worth of dust collected. I mean, you can't tell me she don't look good. Fuck. Yeah. So I haven't done the interior. I'm gonna go run to the audio shop. But she clean, she clean. Let's get the fuck out of here. Just got back from test driving it. Just got home. Honestly, feels pretty good. So something to get used to. It's never been this low. So kind of learning my way around that. Went to the audio shops, couldn't find a sub that would fit my application, so I'm gonna have to order that shit online and wait for it to get here. But hopefully if Amazon has it, it'll be here tomorrow, worst case Monday. So I might have to just run with the interior in pieces right now till I get that back. But fuck it, it is what it is. At least the car's running again. It feels great to have the car back. But gotta clean up this garage and then back at it. That's it, man. Alright, so I put the interior back together just temporarily. It's not 100% done. I didn't put the covers on there. I didn't put the holders in there. I didn't put that in there. I didn't put the C-pillars back in. But I got a new sub coming in, so everything's tucked in. Looks clean. It looks almost whole. I mean, if you just don't look at it from this angle, we're good. But I'll keep the headrest up so you can't see it. But next on the list is tent, and then we're solid. Alright, it's been a minute. I had to wait for the Amazon package to show up. I got the sub in. It took a minute, but we got it installed. I'm gonna throw in the grill piece last, just because I want to show my girl what how I got installed and everything. I got the cover right there, but interior's all back together 100% with the C-pillars back in. Oh, she's got base now. She's got a nice amount of base, not too much. Hopefully it lasts, but 80 bucks, you can't beat it. Polk, I mean, it's a little modification here and there, a little moving some shit around, clipping some stuff, making your own wire, but it worked.